and I'll answer your question, but just last week, I spent, maybe 2 weeks ago now, Monday, I'd gone to Santa Barbara in our quantum lab. I met with the team. Again, it's another journey. We've been at it for more than 10 years. I think we have the leading quantum lab in the world. I finished spending my day. I left on Monday, and Tuesday morning, I found our chief scientist there won the Nobel Prize for physics this year, right? And this is the second year in a row. You mentioned Demis and John Jumper last year. But we believe in that kind of deep fundamental R&D, right? And with a view of translating that into real products. That same quantum computing team, no different from our TPU teams, plans to have commercially available, real, at-scale quantum computers in a few years. And I think they will get there, right? So when you talk about now 10 years ahead, we are building this digital intelligence layer, not just us.
So 10 years quantum is real, is your point?
At least. I for sure think so. I'm very, very bullish and confident on it. I've seen that.
Is that going to put at odds cryptography as we know it today? Are cryptocurrencies going to be at risk with quantum computing that can break any code, available from a Google or other vendors?
I think in a 3 to 5 year thing, we will have that moment where, from a cryptographic standpoint, we have to adapt to quantum for sure.
Yeah.
But I think we will.
Will that create a moment of vulnerability, do you think, for all of these currencies and all of this stuff?
It will, but I think as a society, it'll also create an opportunity for people to come and provide new solutions.
If there is a trust gap at that moment, that could be very serious. So it's something that everyone needs to be mindful about.
Mindful of, and I think there's so much at stake. I think we will collectively work together. But on the positive side, if you ask me 10 years from, look, we are definitely going to have digital superintelligence as a collaborator for all of us. That is going to be a reality.
What does that mean? That has been a phrase that everyone is starting to use, but few have been able to define it, digital superintelligence. And is that kind of where we're going then? It's 10 years, it's digital superintelligence, it's quantum computing. Like we were talking